Welcome to part 4 of the number balance series. In this video we are going to see how number balance can be used for subtraction. So here I have the number balance. Let me place one weight strip on 10 on the left arm. Now to balance it there are different combinations. Let me use one of it. I place a weight strip on 7. Now this time let us count how many less to make 10. So we can see that there are 3 less to make 10. So let me place a weight strip this time on number 3. So I can say that 10 minus 7 is equal to 3 or 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. For the next set of problem, you can see that I've already placed a weight strip on 5 on the left arm, and now I'm placing a weight strip on 10 on the right arm. This time we have to count backwards to reach 5. Observe how much steps have I gone backwards? Well, I have taken 5 steps backward. So I can say that 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. Well, this time we are going to take a look at subtraction of 2 digits. So let me make a 2-digit number. I have already placed 2 weight strips on the right arm at 10, another one 3. So this gives me 30. And now I am placing one more on 5. So here is my 2-digit number 35. Well, on the left arm, let me place another weight strip on 10 and one more. So this is 20. And one more strip on 3. So this is another 2-digit number 23. Now in order to see how many less to 35 from 23, let me place one weighing strip on 10, and you can try different combinations. This time I am putting on 2. Well, now it is balanced. So I can say that there was 12 less to 35, which also means that 35 minus 23 is equal to 12. Coming back to the same problem, that is 35 on the right arm and 23 on the left arm. Let us try removing some weight strips from 35. So I am taking out one weight strip from 10. So I have removed 10, but it's not got balanced yet. Let me remove from 5. Well, it will not get balanced. 23 is surely greater than 20. So this time to do that, let me place on 5 again. So to balance it, what should I do? Let me split 5 into 2 and 3. If you remember, I have already removed 10. Now this time, after splitting 5 into 2 and 3, let me take out 2 from it. Well, now it is balanced. So I can say that from 35, I have removed 12. That is 35 minus 12 will give me 23.